I'm Chef Harrison, and this is our little summer dessert. We got some hand whipped cream. We've got some Marcona almonds, a fresh peach from the farmer's market earlier today, and a little stone fruit caramel. I just got a cast iron real hot peach just with some sugar on top. Make sure that bad boy's nice and hot. We're going for like a quick sear, quick caramelization. We don't want to cook our peach too much, it'll get mushy. We just want the bottom seared really hard. I do love the little tiny cast iron. Put a little butter in there. It's okay because we want those solids to caramelize. So once they get under the peach, they'll kind of help the color come along. So we'll just flip it over. Nice color on there. And then we'll plate it up. Our hand whipped whipped cream. We're just going to take a nice scoop of that. Make a nice little divot for us. We've got some salted Marcona almonds. We're just going to hide those right under the peach. A little saltiness, a little fatty. Take our peach. Beautifully seared. Nice ripe summertime. And then we've got our peach caramel that we made. We'll just drape that right on top. A little bit of flaky salt to finish this out.